Hey guys, it's Cassie and today I have a Fendi unboxing for you. Is this the first Fendi unboxing on this channel? I think it is. This is a monumental moment. This is history. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, so if you watched my luxury wish list video that I put up last week, then you probably already know what this is, okay? I couldn't help myself. It was the cutest little sodding thing. There we go. Hint, it's cute. Okay, fine. It's adorable. It's the cutest. I saw the Fendi Vertigo collection, which I believe is a collaboration with Sarah Chapman, I want to say, American artist. Her name is Sarah Coleman, not Chapman. I haven't heard of her, but I'm sure she's fabulous. Either way, I love this collection. So I saw this and I was like, oh, also, you may have noticed that the bag is wrinkled and this side, there's a hole in the side. How did that happen, Cassie? Well, it was absolutely siling it down. Siling it down means raining. It was just coming down, sodding, a lot of it. When I went to get this, and I obviously didn't have an umbrella. There's like a TikTok sound that's like, I'm crazy, but I'm free. That is how I must have looked in the rain with my Fendi bag, just like rain coming down, looking crazy, sodding, walking up Bond Street. But anyway, so this is from the Fendi Vertigo collection. I saw it and I was like, you are just the absolute cutest. Stop, you cannot go on existing without me having you in my life. So this is the Fendi Nano Baguette Charm. In this glorious little nylon khaki with the lilac accents and the sodden leather braided handle that just got me. As soon as I saw this handle, I was like, yes. Now, you know me, I love a tiny bag, TBE. We love that, okay? And I love that. And number one, I was like, I'm only going to get one this year, culprit. It's like, I'm only going to get one this year. You know, I think I'm going to slow down on the tiny bags a bit. Then I saw this one and it was like, well, how can I not? And also, the Nano Baguette Charm has been around for a while now, so why, you know, like, and I've always loved it, but for some reason, I've never seen one that's like made me make the jump to be like, and here is my card, please take my money, you know? So sometimes it's just about waiting. You've just got to wait to find the one that works for you. Anyway, it's got the like Fendi Zucker FFs stitched in there. This is just too much. And you've got the leather braided handle. All of the hardware is gold. Now, this handle is detachable, like so. And I also love the fact that on the normal Nano Baguette charms, the clasp is much smaller. And I love the fact that this one is the same size as a normal baguette. So just the proportions of it look even more ridiculous, which I love, because you've got this like huge handle, tiny bag, massive clasp there. Also, it's magnetic and the usual clasps are poppers. Anyway, also this is metal and it's like quite heavy. So it's just like these like tiny little details that are just like, drew me in. Oh, let's get rid of you. And oh, authenticity, thank you. Yes, charm. Maxi Nano Baguette Nylon Trap Queen. I love it. Okay, but in case you didn't want the fat handle, it does have its normal... Hold on a second. What's something going on here? Hello. What's happening? This is not the normal chain. Is it adjustable? Hold on. We've got homework to do. Right, so let me just detach these. Let me detach one. What's going on? So what the hell are you? Is it because you're adjustable? Is that what that is? Is that what we're dealing with? Yes, it is. Hold on. There we go. You learn something new every day. Oh, also difference between the other Nano Baguette. It has little things on the side, and usually it's got little hooks on the inside for you to put these. But I just love these tiny changes that they've made. It's not moving all that. Hey, okay. Oh God, I feel like that's about to break. Okay. So you can do a crossbody or... You have the option, alright? It gives us the option. Not sure how much I'll be using that, mainly because I just like the fat little handle. That just absolutely does it for me. The inside is leather, right? Nice and soft, probably Napa leather. And then you've got the gold ring at the back there. So, in theory, before I figure it out there, let's talk about price. Price is always fun to know. And that's not the sodding receipt. I do remember this is £690, which is a bit more expensive than the usual Nano Baguettes. I think the usual Nano Baguettes are £5.50. So all these little tweaks have upped the price. And she does come in 2 other colours. There's a fabulous yellow and white. I'm not going to lie to you, I was kind of between those two. But like dirt, don't trust myself, I'm a messy bitch. I thought khaki and that lilac, just what a fabulous colour combo. And then they also do like a pink and brown, which looks much better in person than it does online. Online, the colours don't really tend to do them justice, okay? They're a little bit brighter in real life. And what the girls do, you know, the girls attach it onto there. It just sort of hangs off. That, I think, would annoy me, to be very honest with you. Also, it doesn't quite go with the colours. You know, if I was really wanting to have this on here, I would have gotten a different colour. Maybe that yellow would have made more sense. So I'm not really into this vibe. I'm just going to use it by itself. So I want to see what I can actually fit inside. That's not got my things in it, has it? Quite like how there's quite a lot of movement in there, as in like the leather is very soft and the nylon is very soft as well. So you could kind of, you know, fill her as much as you can. Selection of cards in there. We're in. Right, keys, that's the other sort of important thing, isn't it? She's good to go. She's just so sodding cute. Obviously, she can do casual because, you know, she's a casual material and all of that, and I will show you on this outfit. But also, then you can put on some heels and she can be like a little evening moment, you know? She's just, will she? No. I love it. I love it under the pit. That's the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, this. Which is the tiniest little pit bag. I feel like this is giving us the amount of casual that works with her, okay? With still a little bit of pizzazz, if you know what I mean. I mean, I'm sorry. Good afternoon. Obviously, like this, she's killing it. Oh, I'm just perusing the shop. So what do you have? Oh, yes, oh, lovely. Oh, fabulous. Brunch with the girls. Brunch with the boys, brunch with anybody. Card, keys, mask, thank you very much, you know. No need to put any lipstick. You're not touching it up under your mask, nobody's looking. She's giving it to me. Sorry, this is killing me. This is absolutely killing me. It's giving me a little bit of a pastel-y moment without me having to commit to, you know, a lot of colours or whatever. I mean, one could. I mean, that would, oh yes. I was going to say one could, but it might be too much. No, too much is never enough. That would work. Imagine, because I can't be bothered to put it on for you, I'm sorry. Okay, this, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I think I'm going to call her Polly, like Polly Pocket. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, anyway, let me know what you think, be nice. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.